good to go.
Yeah, cloning though has not worked out.
Spot.
Yep, I got her. Well, maybe I don't have her.
I got it.
We want to.
Alright, swap. I got Stig.
3, 2, 1.
Got her.
A little, no, pretty much even. I'm like,
I got Stig.
Yep.
You take, take Skyja.
Got it.
get the purple circles out.
Get those out, please.
Mass, mass, mass.
Can't grip it, I'm taking it out.
Okay.
Get out of that. Fight to get out.
Boys,
Raven.
me, get her.
Get here first. You're good?
Boys?
Moving.
Got her.
Three, two, 1.
I'm gonna bring it this way a little bit more.
Dodge the line.
Smuffy.
Yep.
Get a soak for this. Dodge the line again.
To dispel the Smuffy first.
Smuffy Day Frax.
Spuffy myself?
I want to dispel you.
I will dispel Day.
Dodge, dodge, dodge.
I got this.
Get a big soak in the middle. Hellstone if you get low.
We're gonna need
Hold
a
on
backup for Star. Chains down.
Hold
I
on
got
on
it.
B-Res for now.
I got her beef.
Okay.
Who's doing the next backup for Star?
I can do it if Day doesn't go down.
You're not on the orange?
He's on Moon. Smuffy, can you just watch Star just in case?
Mark Smuffy Brogy.
Slime.
Dispelling myself?
Dispelling myself.
Soaks.
Get the
Get one on
soaks.
orange. Good. Stand. Stay. Good.
Rise popped.
I got darkness for this
Hey,
soak.
Day's gonna need a cover. Who's covering for Day on hers?
I'll take care of Moon.
I'm on. Nah.
This is the shitty one.
Soak, 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 soak.
I'm immuning on Moon. Get the fuck out.
Soak, 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 stay. Good.
Burned it.
I got her beef.
3, 2,
Could dispel get here first.
Hair.
Castigar? Got a healing cooldown 5.
Yep.
I got Link since I cannot cover for Moon for 20 seconds.
I can watch it.
I can immune on Moon.
Got it.
Don't need immune, just need someone to soak.
We have two
I
brothers.
think
Do
this
you
is
want
the
one?
shield, right?
No,
No.
save it.
Get those
Get the
out.
purples out. The
Oh
shield's
shit, I
coming
accidentally
in.
taunted her. My bad. Take it
Got
back
it,
when you
got it.
can.
Fragment of Destiny.
Dispelling,
Shield, get out.
Moving. Yep.
Dispelling Kin first.
Kinjin,
Mage.
you too.
Castigard.
Get close to. Stay as close as you can to shield because the next one's coming in. One more step out. Keep backing up. There you go. Stop. People, you can stay in the shield. Only the boss cannot be in there.
2, 1.
You got a cooldown, Smuffy?
I dropped it.
Okay, perfect.
Stay focused. Remember, we
After
need
you're
to
up.
do the math.
Symbol of hope has been dropped.
One shield is down. The next one
We're
is coming
staying
out.
here. We're staying here.
Shield wall's popped.
Take fragments of triangle. Take fragments of triangle.
Okay, okay, hair.
Fuck. I'm
Yeah,
very,
first-
very far.
yeah,
I'm not
first
I'm not
getting
reaching
out.
triangle.
Lazy.
Just ignore the fragments, Jakyo.
There you go. Good
Jesus.
job, guys.
Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
I've never been so happy to hear that sound.
Right.
I fucking hate this fight, man.
Oh shit!
It's
That's a good job, guys. Real
Okay,
good job.
hair. Okay, okay,
we go.
okay.